time for an update on my Thai class. So it's coming along. I can't say that much. We have learned so many vocabulary words. There are many ways to say the same thing, and there are many words that have more than one meaning depending on the tone that you use. And so far, we are now on body parts. So let me see if I have the correct words. Na, I believe, is face. Hua is head. Hu is ear. Gua, I believe, is eyes. Um, Blah is mouth, and I hope I have that right. Lai is this part of your shoulder. There's another word for the actual shoulder part here. Core is neck. Dao is feet. Dao is your knee. Mu, hands. If you want to say fingers, is neo mu for fingers. Neo dao for toes. So I can form sentences, but the conversational part is still a challenge for me. So I'm working on that. And another update, we had I want to call it a midterm because we had 2 quizzes and then we did a midterm. So we're supposed to cover units 1 through 8. And when we got to unit 4, we had a test. And I have a clip showing you of how I did. And I'm so proud of myself. I studied so hard. Studied so hard for that test. So I did really well. You are going to see my attempt to make you some Yum Gai. So in class, last Friday, we learned how to make it. It was very fun, very informative for me who doesn't really cook. I have cooked, but ever since I've been with Kingfish, I've been spoiled because he's the chef and he really enjoys cooking. My thing is baking. So I'm excited to let you see how that came out. You've seen just little snippets of our class making tam yum gung. So I said I was going to attempt to make it for Kingfish. So, all right, we have the water boiling, bottled water. Kalanga, it's in there. Onions, it's in there. Lemongrass, it's in there. Lime leaves, it's in there. Culantro's in there. It's in there. My chili, and I have my milk, my chicken, my fish sauce, and chili paste, mushrooms, tomatoes, and my chicken. So, ooh, you smell that? I smell it. I smell it. I smell it. I smell it. And then just a tip from the teacher, if you're not getting the flavor that you want, then these are helpful. They make me think of the bouillon cubes. So it's for the tom yum seasoning cubes to add to it to give that flavor that you want. Like a tom yum bouillon. Tom yum bouillon. So turn down the heat on this. Give it a little bit of time. Start adding some of these flavors.
Dear Bangkok, thank you. I can eat my wife's cooking again. Thank you. She's cooking for me. Stay tuned. I will tell you exactly how it comes out. No holds barred.
Okay, so it's really important that we allow this to simmer so that the flavors can be released. You don't want it boiling because then it's going to be bitter. And we don't want that. We want Kingfish to be able to say that it's chef's kiss.
Delicioso.
Yes, so that's the goal. So let me see. Chan tam ahan Thai tom yum gai. I said, I am cooking Thai food, and then I said the name of the Thai food, tom yum, chicken tom yum. Well, I'm trying.
Kapunka.
All right, I just put in the chili paste, about a tablespoon. you're definitely going to taste it and see if you need to figure out how much of anything else you need to add to it. So chili paste. Now I'm going to do the fish sauce. And the fish sauce, again, to taste. So I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons. Ooh, okay, a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. And give it a stir. I'm adding my tomatoes now. I tried to do a mise en place. I didn't do too hot with that, but I'm learning. I've been watching the Kingfish Chef Kingfish. So I know he says it's good to have everything prepared. You know, if you need to slice it, dice it, whatever it is you need to do it beforehand and have it in place, mise en place, so that, you know, time is of the essence when you're cooking. I did learn that much from the Kingfish. And the bouillon. That in there and stir, stir, stir. Okay, so I didn't want these large strips of chicken, so I'm gonna cut them in about 3 or 4 pieces just to make it a little more smaller when you're trying to eat it. Totally up to you. You can dice it if that's what you prefer to do, and also when you cut it smaller, it helps so that it can cook faster. So I learned that from the Kingfish too. I'm not the greatest with a knife, believe it or not. I know that just doesn't even sound right.
She'll cut you.
A blade is different.
Cut. Queenfish is looking mighty fine.
Yeah.
Jacob.
Remember, keep your kitchen clean. So I'm over here just wiping down the counter and getting rid of whatever garbage I have so that we can put it out. All right, let's see. Probably a little more fish sauce and chili paste. I almost messed it up because I didn't have my glasses on, so I grabbed the sweetened condensed milk instead of the Carnation evaporated milk. Oh my gosh, that would have been so bad. Oh my goodness. This is how you guys know I'm not in the kitchen very often. I call this thing the ladle instead of the ladle.
What is it, baby?
Oh, well, the correct pronunciation is ladle, not ladle. Oh my gosh. Ah, look at that richness. All right, it's the moment of truth. Remember, the galangal and the lemongrass is for flavor. You will not be happy if you bite into those. Okay, I like that it has a lot of color. I see. Ooh, I like how the broth looks as well. What do you think? I can't wait for you to taste it. All right, it's time.
This smells absolutely delicious. Looks good. Let me try the broth. Ooh, this is hot.
Be careful.
Careful. Y'all.
Did I pull it off?
I think she got it. I need to hit one more. Let me hit one more. The color is there. But that flavor, good job. Good job, Queenfish. Let me try the sugar.
Yeah, the chicken is going to be another indicator. Did I overcook it? Did I cook it just right? Is it hard, tender? All the way, Mark?
All the way, Mark.
Yay.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah,
if
right?
you had to rate it from 1 to 10. Now, given I'm not Thai, this is just me trying to replicate a dish, and I don't normally cook.
For your first time making Yum Gai, I'll give it a 9.
Yeah,
You're the first one.
Oh, y'all, he's going in. Look at him. It smells amazing. I like how it looks. Okay, okay. Not bad. Tender. Mmm. Mm-hmm. It's tender and it absorbed the flavor. Now, I would have liked the flavor a little bit more stronger. But aside from that, for my first time,
Patting yourself on the back, y'all.
yep. Kingfish.
Hmm?
You okay over there?
Huh?
You all right?
Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm straight.
Okay.
Excuse me a minute. Get back to
All
my-
right. Just checking. You got a little quiet there.
I heard you. That's good, baby.
Before I let you go, I will count to 10 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 100, Roy, 1,000, Ban, 10,000, Wang, 100,000, San, and 1,000,000 Lan. Kept my word. I attempted to make it. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. So I will start making like a list to share with you some words that I'm learning along the way, especially the basic words. And until then, be the change that you want to see. See ya.